Good morning to all. Today you have to learn the different types of chemical reaction. What is mean by chemical reaction? Whenever a chemical change occurs, a chemical reaction takes place. There are different types of chemical reaction. This year you have to learn 5 types of chemical reaction. The first one is combination reaction. The next one, decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one, double displacement reaction. And the fifth one is a redox reaction. Now you have to learn the first type, that is combination reaction. The first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. What is meant by combination reaction? When two or more elements or compounds combine together to form a single product. That type of reactions are known as combination reaction. That means when two elements or compounds, combine together to form a single product. For example, when two elements combine together to form a compound, that is when burning of coal, C plus O2 gives CO2. C plus O2 gives CO2. This one is an example of combination reaction. That means when two elements combine together to form a compound. Here carbon is an element. It combines with another element, oxygen. That is element plus another element. When two elements combine together to form a compound, carbon dioxide is a compound. So, this one is an example of combination reaction. Then the formation of water molecules is another example of combination reaction. That means H2 plus O2, hydrogen and oxygen combines together to form water molecule H2O. Then 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Is a balanced chemical equation. Here hydrogen, an element, combines with another element, oxygen, to form water molecule, a compound. So we can define that when two elements combine together to form a compound is known as combination reaction. The same way when two compounds combine to form another compound. For example, calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide react with water to form calcium hydroxide, CaOH. Twice, calcium oxide react with water to form calcium hydroxide. Is an example of combination reaction. Here calcium oxide is a compound. A compound plus water, another compound, to form a compound. To form a compound. That means when two compounds combine together to form a compound, a single product, that one is combination reaction. So how to define combination reaction? When two elements two or more elements. Two or more elements or compounds combine together to form a single product. That one is a compound. Such a type of reactions are known as combination reaction. Then in this combination reaction, that is CaO, that is calcium oxide, its common name is quicklime. What is quicklime? That is calcium oxide is quicklime. Then water is added to quicklime. It is converted into calcium hydroxide. That is quicklime plus water gives calcium hydroxide. Its common name is Slaker lime. Slaker lime, calcium hydroxide is formed. During this reaction, heat is also formed. In this reaction, heat is also formed. So, this type of reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. What is meant by exothermic reaction? When during the reaction heat is evolved, such a type of reactions are known as exothermic reaction. So one example of exothermic reaction, calcium oxide react with the water to form calcium hydroxide. During this reaction heat is released or evolved. So this type of reactions are known as exothermic reaction. Another example of exothermic reaction. When we heat a piece of magnesium ribbon, heated means combines with the oxygen, we get magnesium oxide, MgO. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Along with the dust, heat and light are also formed. So this reaction is also an example of exothermic reaction. So what is meant by exothermic reaction? During a chemical reaction, heat is released or heat is evolved. Such type of reactions are called exothermic reaction. Then the second type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. What is meant by decomposition reaction? Here only one reactant decomposes to form two or more products. That type of reactions are known as decomposition reaction. A single reactant is break down into two or more products. That one is decomposition reaction. For example, when ferrous sulfate is heated, what happens? It is converted into two or more products. That products are Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. SO2 plus SO3. Then when we heat ferrous sulfate crystals in a boiling tube, we get ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Here in this reaction, the ferrous sulfate, we can observe that the color of the ferrous sulfate is changed and pungent smelling gases are also formed. Here the color of ferrous sulfate crystals are green. The green color of the ferrous sulfate crystals are converted into brownish color, and the pungent smelling gases are also formed during this reaction. The pungent smelling gases are sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Here ferrous sulfate is on heating. Two or more products are formed. That products are Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. Here this one is an example of decomposition reaction. Then how can you define decomposition reaction? In a chemical reaction, a reactant decomposes to form two or more products. Such a type of reactions are known as decomposition reaction. The decomposition reactions are different types. The decomposition reactions are different types, mainly three types. A decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of heat. Such a type of decomposition reactions are known as thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition. That means decomposition reactions takes place in the presence of heat. That type of reactions are known as thermal decomposition reaction. Another example of decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition. When calcium carbonate is heated, it is converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. CaO is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This one is an example of thermal decomposition because this one takes place in the presence of heat. That means a decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of heat. That type of reactions are known as thermal decomposition reaction. The next type of decomposition reaction is light decomposition. Light decomposition. What is meant by light decomposition? That means the decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight. That type of reactions are known as light decomposition reaction. For example, when silver chloride is react in the presence of sunlight, when we keep silver chloride in the sunlight, the color of the silver chloride, white color, is changed into grey due to decomposition reaction. That means silver chloride decomposes to form silver and chlorine. Silver chloride decomposes to form silver and chlorine. 2AgCl gives 2Ag plus Cl2. Again, the same way, silver bromide, AgBr, in the presence of sunlight, it breaks down to form silver and bromine. Silver and bromine. This one is also an example of light decomposition reaction. This one is also known as photochemical decomposition reaction. This type of reaction is used in black and white photography. Decomposition, light decomposition is used in black and white photography. That is 2 silver, that is 2 AgCl gives 2 Ag plus Cl2 or 2 AgBr. In the presence of sunlight, it breaks down to form silver and bromine. Then one more type decomposition reaction is also there. That one is known as electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. When electricity is passed through water, it decomposes to form hydrogen and oxygen. This one is an example of electrolytic decomposition reaction. When electricity is passed through water, electric energy, electricity, it decomposes to form hydrogen and oxygen. 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2 in the presence of electricity. It is decomposes to form, water molecule is decomposes to form hydrogen and oxygen. This one is an example of electrical decomposition. What is mean by decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction means a single reactant decomposes to form 2 or more products. So, the thermal decomposition reactions are different types. If decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of heat, that one is known as thermal decomposition. If decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight, this one is known as light decomposition or photochemical decomposition reaction. Then, if the decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of electricity, that one is known as electrolytic decomposition reaction. Thank you.